Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Friday Fastbacks. I'm your host Josh Kerbach, and today I am so excited to talk to you about another product that we are launching here at Original One Parts. Today I want to talk to you about my rear axle beams. So as I was saying, Original One is super excited and proud to offer rear axle beams to our already extensive line of suspension products. We're going to be starting this off with some extremely popular models out there, the Chevy Cruze and Cobalt, the Chrysler Town & Country, the Toyota Corolla, just to name a few. I'm pretty darn excited. And why am I so excited? It's not just because these axle beams rock, which they do, but it's because we're developing more complex testing here at Original One. Complex testing for more complex parts because cars are becoming more complex. So we want to develop all of this so we can bring it to you with the same Original One quality that you've come to know and expect, and at a price that you're going to be happy with, your customer's going to love. It's going to keep your severity down and keep your KPIs up. That's about all I have to say today about my rear axle beams. But if you'd like to learn any more about this or any of our other products here at Original One, please click on the link below or go to originaloneparts.com. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the Original One. And also remember, with the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday next week, we here at Original One would like to tell you how very thankful we are for your support, your dedication. We couldn't do it without you. Have a great Thanksgiving.